folks, this is Jackie Alpers, and today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite summer beer cocktail, the Chelada. First, you'll need the traditional Chelada glass. It's actually called a schooner glass. This is tagine. It's a chili lime salt, and they make it in this really cute little glass rimmer. So then you just rim your glass with a little bit of lemon or lime. Dip it in the chili lime mixture and spin it around so that you get a nicely coated rim, like that. Next, you fill your glass with ice. This is Rose's sweet lime juice. It's awesome. 1 ounce of that, which is 2 tablespoons. The juice from half of a lemon. This is my favorite beer right now. It's called Citrona. It's a sour beer with hints of lime in it already. It's made by Borderlands Brewing Company here in Tucson. I'll just top the beer. And there you go. It's a big, fun summer drink. And it's awesome. Yay, enjoy.